So I think technology has really, to my mind, has been the driver or an enabler for us as professional, also for humans to think differently, come out of their comfort zone and be innovative. Had it not been there, honestly, we would have been very, very comfortable doing what you're doing, and probably our thinking capacity would have been wee bit limited than what it is. Additional viewpoint is that technology has always been there. But maybe because we never had that push and the reason to really go beyond our limit, we were also comfortable. In my mind, what it has really helped us is, I mean, think about it this way, that now the talent pool that we explore is not only limited to the area where we work or the city that we live in. We explore candidate cross geographies. We have ATS, we have HRIS tools. Not only it helps us get away from the transactional and the tactical work, which gives us and creates so much of space for us to think beyond, think differently, and really focus on high-end work. So I think technology has definitely been a great value addition to humankind. One of the things that's been my personal observation because of technological integration in our work environment and really not implication, that it has also, kind of pushed us to become more outcome driven in our mindset. We are no longer people and the leaders who focuses on number of hours. Because technology is something, while it is a blessing, it can also be manipulated. So what do we do? Can we really go ahead and do a very, very micromanaging work? No, we have to trust people. We have to trust the delivery. So what do? In our minds, we become more outcome driven leadership. We become more outcome driven people. We give people their space and we trust them. It has also instilled a more higher value of trust, because we got to trust people with the delivery and not be very, very hell bent on what are the number of hours they're logging. So that's the broader view of technology integration that I have personally realized. It has helped organization to be less hierarchical driven and more be approachable driven, to my mind.